Hey, it's Jeff here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I was just finished a symposium, and it was interesting the changes that I've seen in the last 18, 19 years of doing the symposium. We've had over 126 events, 30,000 people, so it's been a huge success over the past almost 2 decades. One thing that we're seeing, though, is we're seeing a lot more concierge medical practices starting up as aesthetics. So the first thing they do is they start up as a concierge practice. Maybe they learn chemical peels, skincare, injectables. Maybe they're doing semaglutide, GLP-1s for weight loss. This is all stuff you could start in your doctor's bag. They do that for 3, 6, 9 months, build up their clientele base, and then they open up a clinic. And so in the past, you really couldn't do that. You had to open up a clinic. And I guess this is pretty much thanks to COVID that really allows people to have a concierge or a side gig, but we're not calling it a side gig, right? It is a side gig, but we're going to call it a concierge medical practice. And with that, that is a brilliant way to start. And so our symposium's actually perfect, right? It's almost we designed it by accident that way because we cover the top 5 minimally invasive procedures. Because as you know, Botox is the least money maker. It's the #1 most requested procedure. So you need to know your toxins and how to inject them for sure, but you're not going to make any money at it. The money's actually in the minimally invasive procedures like chemical peels, home care, microdermabrasion, microinfusion. And actually at our symposium, we cover microdermabrasion, microinfusion, chemical peels, home care, as well as injectables. So you get everything you need to start a concierge medical practice. So hope to see you in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona.